As the weather warms up and, well, the season of spring cleaning approaches, this is a great time to think more about just your closet. Estate planning, much like cleaning out your home, is about organizing, simplifying, and preparing for your future. Here's how to approach it, using spring cleaning as a metaphor for getting your important decisions in order. Number one, declutter your documents. Just like you tackle piles of old receipts or unused items around the house, start by getting your estate planning documents organized. This includes things like your last will, your revocable trust, and any legal directives that you have done in the past. If you don't have these documents in place yet, that's okay. This is the perfect time to start. A last will ensures that your assets go where you want them to go, and a trust can help your loved ones avoid lengthy legal processes after you've gone. The probate process, which I'm sure you've heard about. Number two, clear out the old and update everything. Spring cleaning isn't just about throwing things away, it's about making sure that what's left is useful. Similarly, estate planning is about regularly reviewing your documents, your plans, relationships change, your assets evolve, and your wishes may shift over time. Take a look at your existing estate plan if you have it and update it. Add new beneficiaries, add your healthcare persons, check your financial situation. Number three, tidy up your financial affairs. A cluttered financial situation can make estate planning very difficult. Now is a great time to organize your finances just like you'd sort through and organize that junk drawer that you have. This includes gathering key financial documents such as bank account information, insurance policies, retirement accounts, real estate. Make sure these things are up to date and accessible to your loved ones. Number four, address your healthcare decisions. A crucial part of estate planning involves making healthcare decisions in advance. Think of it as organizing your medical needs just like cleaning out your medicine cabinet. Establish a healthcare directive, appoint somebody in charge, a healthcare power of attorney, and make sure that your wishes are clear and that you can communicate them ahead of time to those people. Number five, prepare for the unexpected. Spring cleaning is about preparing your space for the future. Estate planning is no different. If you haven't already, consider a power of attorney and a trusted individual to manage your affairs if you become incapacitated. This ensures that someone can step in and help manage your finances and legal decisions when you're unable to take care of yourself. Number six, start small and tackle it step by step. Estate planning can feel overwhelming when you start, but just as you don't need to clean the entire house in one go, you don't need to complete your estate plan in a single day. Start by focusing on one area, whether it's updating your will or setting up a power of attorney, and take it step by step. The goal is to break down the process into manageable tasks, each one bringing you closer to a fresh start. Number seven, breathe easier knowing you're prepared. Once you've completed your estate planning, you'll feel much like you do after a successful spring cleaning session. Relieved, organized, and at peace. Knowing that you've made decisions about your future and your loved one's future will give you a sense of calm and control. You can now focus on enjoying your life without the burden of unsolved matters hanging over you. So remember, estate planning is your chance to clean up the important decisions of your life and prepare for the future. It might feel like a big task, but just like spring cleaning, it's about taking small steps and make sure everything is in order. Starting now ensures that when your life changes, you and your loved ones will be ready to move forward, organized, and confident in the decisions you have made.
I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.